The Dracal Technologies data acquisition system allows not only to record precision measurement data, but also to visualize the data in a graphical way. For most, seeing the measurement variations is relevant, and it is even possible to generate an exportable graph from the DracalView software. It is really an all-in-one solution. It all starts with the Sources tab, where it is suggested to change the aliases to specific names, possibly including the units of measurements. Still in the Sources tab, you need to check the graph box to add the relevant channels to the graph. Note that real, virtual, and mathematical channels can all be added to the graph. In the Graph View tab, you can change the graph title and the axis title with one click. The Autoscale X-axis box, when checked, allows you to see the record of all data since the connected device is visible on Graph View. If you want to look at a specific period in the past, you can uncheck it and use the mouse wheel to change the time window. The Autoscale Y-axis box adjusts the zoom to the minimum and maximum values displayed in the graph to allow you to appreciate the variation of the parameters. If you want to change the perspective, uncheck the box and adjust the zoom with the mouse wheel. The legend of your graph can be positioned in several predefined places in the Graph Legend drop-down menu. When you click on one of the channels in the legend, you will see that you can easily change the color, thickness, and line style of the channel. If you want to set the graph parameters and then start the visualization, you can use the Reset Graph button to restart the data image from that point on. Your settings will be preserved, only the data will be erased to make room for new ones. The interval is a multiple of the sampling rate defined in the Configuration tab. Additionally, you can set the buffer capacity, which is the maximum number of data shown in the graph. After this duration, the first points will be discarded following the first in first out mechanism. At any time, you can save the graph with or without a pause by clicking on the Save Graph to File button. The default format is a .png, but other formats are available. If you are interested in an example on how to generate a graph using mathematical channels and GraphView options, please watch the video linked in the footnotes.